Hi, Ant Friends!
Hello, Ant Friendos!
Today we are doing a collaboration with...
Oh, who could it be?
We're doing a collaboration with Doodle Date. I'm very excited because if you don't know Doodle Date, they make really cute art videos. They do doodles and tea. They do little cute drawings. They draw...
They're very sweet people.
They are very sweet people. Thank you, Adam. That's Dave, actually. So,
I got a flight from England. I delivered this by hand.
We decided to send each other packages full of goodies. I don't know what's in here, but I'm very excited. I think we're supposed to open it from this side, so let me just get my knife.
Looks good to me.
I'm just joking. It says...
What?
Alright, let's get into it. I'm very excited. I don't want to puncture the weenie inside. Oh my gosh, it's all colorful! Okay, let me read the letter really quick. Hi, Kasey.
Hello.
Ants on the paper. Stay young and full of dreams. Grandpa Adam. Grandma Steph. Womp, weak, womp. Brindle and Bumble, guinea pigs. Oh my gosh, that's so adorable. Aww.
Oh, it's a Splatoon.
Oh my gosh, and Wind Waker. I didn't even see that.
Nobody cares about that.
Okay, real talk though. Dave and I met through Wind Waker, so Wind Waker has a very special place in our heart. Oh, and I love Wind Waker too. Oh my gosh, Splatoon. Thank you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm very excited about that. How many times can I say, oh my gosh?
That's a lovely blue.
Oh, Dave! Dave, that was so mean. Oh my god! I have been wanting one of these. This is like Freddy the Fish's brother. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. If you don't know what this is, it's a pencil pouch that's a fish shape. What are we gonna name it, Dave?
We're going to name it Freddo.
Freddo.
I tried.
Monster Munch. Ooh, we'll have to do a taste test. Where's Sock Kasey? Oh my god, the amount of jokes. Okay, so we have a fanny pack. So I can keep all of my weenies in it. And there's something inside, and it's very wiener shaped. So honestly, I'm kind of scared. Like, was it wrong?
Oh no.
We have a stretch sausage.
That's a lovely weenie.
Oh my god! They actually sent a wiener. Stretchwurst. Joke item. Okay, it's a joke item. Out of the blue.
Weenies are no joke.
Wieners are no joke. Joke item. This is not a toy. Keep information for future reference.
What future reference do you need for a weenie?
What is this? The wiener's free. Hashtag free the weenie. This feels dirty. I'm not gonna lie. It kind of feels like a condom. Wait, I'm confused. Where are the directions? I need my wiener directions!
I should have saved them for future reference.
This is the future. There's a picture of a guy stretching the wiener, but when I tried to stretch my wiener... Ew!
Oh, golly. I mean, oh, golly.
Adam, is this what wieners are like in the UK?
Ooh.
Anyways, Anyways, I got this really cool fanny pack though, so I'm quite excited. Should I put it on right now?
Oh, you said it looks marvelous.
No mini wieners in the mini pocket.
Oh, Kasey, you've got an excellent fanny.
Thank you. I'm very proud of my fanny.
Great.
Oh, I'm very excited. It's an ant plushie. Oh my gosh. Look at him. Hello, ant friends.
Hello.
Aww. I love him. I'm going to stick him right here.
Oh, this has made you quite chuffed.
Mars bars, which
Wow.
I had a feeling there would be a crossover because Canada likes to think that they are the UK or part of the UK.
That's racist.
So we have Mars bars here, but I will gladly eat it. Double dip. Whoa. Look at that guy. Whisper. I don't know what that is. But
I probably should because I'm Adam, but I don't either.
Flumps?
You don't know what flumps
It says
are?
fluffy mallow twists.
Whoa.
And one last pixie stick. Wow. You guys...
Now make some art with all of that.
You guys know what to give a diabetic, that's for sure. Alright, we've got two more items in here. This little guy. It's a jingling. Oh my gosh, we have some watercolors. Oh my gosh, we have some watercolors. That's what was the jingle. Aww. Oh, I get to swatch these. I'm very excited. See, you guys did like a rock or diamond or something set, I believe. I think that might be what that is. If I'm not mistaken. I might be mistaken. Looks like we're going to be doing some watercoloring today, guys.
Wow, this is a first for your channel.
For my channel?
Yes.
Today I'm going to try watercolors for the very first time. Ooh. All right. Let's do some prompts from the food, some of the candy, the snacks, the fish, the fanny pack, the ant, and let's do some watercoloring. Dave, you ready?
I'm ready. I'm also maybe Adam.
Great, let's go. All right, Dave, you ready to try some snacks?
Yes.
We're trying these Monster Munch.
You're making a mess. Our couch is ruined.
Dave, you want to see what's in my fanny pack?
Oh, I'd love to see what's in your fanny.
We've got snacks.
Wow.
Let's try a Whisper.
A Whisper. Delicious.
Yep, it's an arrow. Canada likes to think they're the UK, I swear.
Wow.
Next we have a Refreshers.
Ooh, freshers. Ooh, no. Oh, God. Saw Kasey, no.
So Casey's definitely gonna need a refresh. So Dave, what you up to over here?
I'm going to do a drawing with food challenge.
Now I asked Dave, not Adam.
I'm doing a draw with food challenge because that's what they do on Doodle Date time.
Oh yeah. So you're grinding up some lollipop here.
Yeah.
Huh? Wait, what's that black thing over there?
That is a blackjack. It is sticky as tar.
Oh wow.
It's kind of a mess.
Oh, that's interesting. Well, while Dave's over there grinding up candy, I swatched these colors, and oh my gosh, I love them because they're colorful, but they're earthy. Especially that purple. That's a purple I can get behind. All right, Dave, what we got?
I'm drawing a beautiful anime girl.
That's beautiful.
I know.
I'm drawing a fish with a fanny pack, and then there's going to be an ant eating candy in its hand, or its fin. Let's see, I guess I should draw the wiener. Let's see, the wiener could be going right over the pubes, and then coming around and going that way. Just a big old stretchy wiener. Doesn't sound like Adam.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
I mean, I figure probably not, like, including all of this.
Dave? Where'd Adam go?
I'm right here.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Adam, how's it going? Oh, it's pretty good.
Oh. Dave's
Canada's very lovely.
Oh, wow. Thanks.
Such sweet people.
Aw. Everyone except for Dave, right?
Everyone except for you, Kasey. You're a
What?
stupid American.
Oh my god, Adam! Collaboration is canceled.
Goodbye.
Canceled. Okay, I think I'm ready to get back to inking it. How exciting. I'm very excited about this swirly wiener situation. Couldn't help but notice her anatomy. What's the story there?
It's just a natural, beautiful Japanese anime girl in her natural habitat of looking like her anatomy is correct.
Do you have any plans for the colors? Because I know you use the candy.
I know that I've got a very limited color palette
Okay.
and very little color.
You've got.
And I drew far too large.
Yeah,
And I'm never going to cover any of it.
You drew.
I don't know what I'm going to do.
You drew pretty big. So you got like brown, black, and green. Is that all you got going for you there?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Good luck out there.
Thanks, I need it.
Mm-hmm. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
It sucks.
What? Kasey!
What?
Kasey!
What?
Kasey only loves art that has weenies in
Oh
it.
my god, here we go again. You want to fight on camera, dude?
Yeah! The technique is that I put some lines and pencil, and I don't want them to be there anymore.
You're very violent with your erasing.
A true artist takes his pain out on the paper.
Oh, wow. Your life must be really hard.
It really is. You are a fake artist and don't know the struggles of a real artist.
It's probably true. I'm still inking, because I take care of my art, unlike Dave. I'm done inking. I can start coloring with my gemstone watercolors. Ooh. 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 Dave's about to do his first color. Looks like you've soaked up
That's the entire pan.
all of your green is gone in that one stroke.
Oh no.
I'm really excited to see it. Whoa. I'm actually kind of surprised by the outcome of this.
They said it couldn't be done.
Did they?
You did.
Did I?
Probably.
Ooh, that looks really sticky. It sounded really sticky.
Mm-hmm.
Frankly, I'm terrified. Oh, wow.
It's a very different color.
Ew, it looks so
it's
sugary.
It's too thick.
Ew.
Oh no.
I don't know how Doodle Date does it, but this is disgusting. Oh my gosh. It's like a syrup.
I can't do this. Oh no.
Dave, you can do this.
I should have just highlighted her hair. I don't have enough pigment for this. If you can call it pigment, you really can't.
So, I decided to paint with our fish Freddo, which I think Dave wanted to rename because it was too close to Freddy, which, fair enough. Yeah, I guess that's all I really have to say about that.
It's beautiful, Kasey.
Thank you, Dave. Or Adam. I don't know who you are, really.
Me neither.
At this point, I'm very confused. How do you feel about your drawing, Dave?
I think it's coming along swimmingly.
Ah, swimmingly! Fish! Can we get an update, Dave?
Well, I'm getting close to being finished, but I realized I don't have a skin tone.
Oh boy.
So, I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't think anything was very yellow. And I'm going to look at what we've got that's yellow.
So I convinced you to use chocolate for her skin.
She's going to be a beautiful, bold anime girl. I'm using the English Arrow Bar. Whispers, I don't know.
Whispers, I think it was.
Doesn't spread well.
Well, yeah. Dave, it's beautiful.
Every anime girl is beautiful in her own way.
Are you done after you color her skin?
I am, because this is garbage.
Oh. That's terrifying, I'm gonna be honest.
I can't believe you'd say this. Believe it or not, I tried my hardest. I know them.
Oh my gosh, she's melting!
This.
She's melting!
You tilted her.
Oh no, I'm sorry, your masterpiece. Well, those are our pieces, Dave's anime girl and my fish with the linguine and the fanny pack and the ant with the candy. I like mine.
Sounds like a delicious pasta. Linguine.
Linguine. Linguine. So once again, thank you so much to Doodle Date for sending us these wonderful gifts. I love my little ant especially. He's my buddy. And yeah, go check out Doodle Date. Of course, the links will be in the description for all those fun art videos. This was so much fun. I loved it. And I love my little Freddo. I can't wait to use them. Alright, Dave, you got any last ending words?
I don't remember what they say. That's a Doodle Date. We done Doodle Dated it.
Bye, Ant Friends.
Bye, Ant Friendos.
See you next time. So we're at the movie theater. Who wore it best? The carpet or my fanny pack? Here's a poll. Thank you so much to all of my patrons, including Michael Young, Zach Abstract, Shelby, Megan, Chris Side, Davey Tomato, Cool Guy Josh, Mina Blix, Hey Lucy, Eddie, Mackenzie, Maureen A, Pie, Loganites, Leah Shibutani, Drizzle, Ria Damaraju, Pencil Art Madness, Cindy J. If you want a shout out at the end of my videos, access to my sketchbook, coloring pages, and more, become my patron by clicking the link in the description. Thank you all so much for the support. Bye!